If I'm gonna go down today, I'm gonna go down beautiful.
Yes! Hi, I'm Izzy.
And I'm Coy.
And I'm Carla, and we're part of the Cosmo Cam Crew.
So today, guys, we're gonna be trying something super cool.
Yes, it's fun and exciting. We're gonna try out the Blythe by Careline collection.
It's a collaboration between Careline and Andrea Brillantes.
You don't know it, Cassie. Malayers mape.
So we're gonna
I'm
try.
excited.
Let's do this. So this is the Perfect Brow Trio. What's the third part?
So it's a pencil, a powder, and a gel.
All right, what are we gonna try next? Eyeshadows.
I'm gonna start with this kind of latte color.
I'll start with a cooler brown because my shades in a men are a little bit colder. So
I'm gonna try out this pink one.
the Starlight Eyes. Look at that.
Gonna be shining.
So this is perfect for like a highlight shade to just really make your eyes pop.
Like, it really looks so good here, but you can also just wear it alone. I'm gonna achieve the perfect winged liner.
So for me, I have a tip for girls with hooded eyes like I do. You only put eyeliner here.
You're not done until we stamp you. May I?
Fine.
Look at you.
Now it's time to move on with our blush on. For my blush, I'm gonna use the face palette.
I'm gonna use a tint.
All right, you Izzy.
I'm gonna actually use a lipstick. To our favorite Stardust Palette. What? That is poppin'!
Look at Koi.
She be poppin'.
And now it's time for our lips.
I'm gonna do the tint.
Out.
Yes.
This one, I feel like it's really good with morena skin. This is the Stellar Satin at 123 Titania.
But you know what I feel like? Even the purple and the blue colors, it would really match Filipino skin.
Because Cosmo girls were fun, fearless,
And forward.
Am I gonna do this? I'm gonna try it.
I'm going for that Korean gradient lip.
I have achieved the look. Very light and it's all pink. You don't need any tools for this makeup, so you can go anywhere. Just use your fingers.
For me, I think I've achieved the inspired by
I'm vibing with this.
Right? It's really such a mood.
I like the versatility of products that you can use them for multiple things